Now beta, second kingdom is kingdom Protista. It includes all eukaryotic unicellular organisms which are not animals, plants or fungi. They fall under the kingdom Protista. Beta, now in this chapter we will learn about the amoebas. In kingdom Protista we will study about the amoeba. So amoeba is a genus which include many species. So first we will study about their structure. Here you can see the structure of the amoeba. The cell wall is surrounded by a flexible cell membrane. The cytoplasm is divided into two parts, ectoplasm and the endoplasm. Ectoplasm means outside and endoplasm means the inside. The nucleus and other organelles are membrane bound. That is why they are come under the eukaryotic and suspended in the endoplasm. Now location. An amoeba can move in any direction because it do not have the legs, proper legs. So it can accumulate its cytoplasm towards the side which is want to move. And they make a pseudopodia. Pseudo means false and podia means the leg. So they make the false leg to move from one direction to other. This type of movement is called the amoeboid movement. Now how they take the nutrition. Amoeba feed on tiny algae and bacteria. They extend pseudopodia to engulf and food forming vacuoles. So here you can see when they find the food, they make the pseudopodia to grab the food. In the second step you can see they have already taken the food. Then they digest it, and when they have to leave the undigested food, they move apart from that place. So the process of engulfing a food particle to form a food vacuole is called phagocytosis. So mode of nutrition in amoeba is phagocytosis. The engulfed food particle is digested in food vacuole. The food vacuole also expels the undigested food by fusing the cell membrane, and this process is known exocytosis. So what is phagocytosis? Means to eat the food, and what is exocytosis? Means release the undigested food. Now how the amoeba respire? Beta, amoebas do not have specialized organ for respiration. They do not have lungs, they do not have nose, they do not have mouth. So they take in oxygen, release carbon dioxide through their cell membrane. So they use this membrane for the respiration. Now excretion. How they excrete the waste material from their body? They have the contractile vacuole, and these vacuoles gradually fills with excess water and waste material. When full, the contractile vacuole moves toward the plasma and fuses it with and contact at the same time. It expels the water and waste by the exocytosis. So here you can see the amoeba move from the place and expel the undigested food from the body. Now how they reproduce? Means how they are giving birth to their young ones. Amoeba reproduce by binary fission and the multiple fission. What is fission means beta? Fission means broken down. So one amoeba is broken down into two pieces, or the two daughter cells, they are known as a binary. And when they divided into many daughter cells, it is known as the multiple fission. So here you can see in the diagram, in binary fission, the mother cell or the amoeba, its cytoplasm and the nucleus divided, and then the cytoplasm divided into two halves, and finally they separated from each other. This is known as the daughter amoebas. And second type of fission is multiple fission, in which what happen, beta, sometime due to unfavorable condition, amoeba didn't get food or nutrition. That time they make a cyst, the cyst around the organelles, and afterwards what happened, when they got the favorable condition, during the cyst position, the cytoplasm is divided into many daughter nuclei, and when they get the favorable condition, the cyst wall ruptured or broken down and release the daughter cells. So here you can see so many daughter cells are released, but in binary fission only two daughter cells are produced, but in the multiple they got many daughter cells. So you have to learn the diagrams also.